Hello, Vita here. Welcome to Abstract and Flow Studios. I'm about to do something big and bold. Stay tuned. So this pour is going to involve a dustpan. And this canvas board. Ooh. That I've already painted. Has a bright orange center, green faded out with a black border. Isn't it delicious looking? So different, right? So I'm going to layer my dustpan with white, black, red, and orange. And we're going to do something exciting. Let me layer the dustpan and I'll be right back. Okay, dustpan layered. My canvas board is on a spinning I already dropped some. That's okay. All right, we're just gonna incorporate it in our pour. First time doing this, so let's see what we come out with. I want to give my board a good spin. Okay, wait a minute, I'm nervous. Hold on. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's try this again. Good spin. Spin. Okay. Did you see that? Oh my, I think I kind of like it. Now this is not going to be tilted. It's just going to stay just the way it is. And I'm going to grab the camera and bring it down. Let's torch it too. Let's see. Because I know we got some, oh, look at that red right here. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Yes, look at that. Look at those lines right there. And look at the red right here. So pretty. Oh, yes. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. So, like I said, bold and different for me. So you all let me know what you think in the comments. I didn't see you yesterday, so Merry Christmas. If I don't see you next week, Happy New Year. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye. I love it.